Welcome back to another episode. If you haven't yet seen where we're up to, jump back, watch the previous videos and have a look. We have been doing a pretty decently step-by-step of how I've been doing the dual cab chop. Basically we're at a point now, I've pretty much finished all the bog work on it. I've got one more panel to finish, and we're going to quickly do that, then get ready for paint, I suppose, and go from there. We've got the cab ripped off the chassis now, and I'm gonna get it all the bog works finished, and it's all in etch primer. I'm just gonna get it ready to tape up all the door jambs and so on, get ready to throw down some 2K primer, and yeah, get it ready to go so we can get some paint down. I'm gonna color match all the jams, especially in where we've done some welding and grinding and so on. We're going to fix up the rear door jams a little bit, and yeah, get it to a point where we are happy with it so we can get the Raptor down and done. So we're just about going to pull the doors and the front guards off this car, get it ready. I'm just going to tape it up and get ready to put on the Raptor coat. The primer and the actual colour coat went down good, or went wet on wet, which is good. And yeah, pretty much got to a point where we just got to now do that, and I'll tape it up and put the Raptor coat on. So it's all taped up, ready to go. I'm just gonna put some Raptor down and I'll show you guys the end result. Thanks again, guys. Like and subscribe. Yeah, can't do this without you guys, especially you know, everyone else out there watching and so on. It means a lot. Commenting, liking, subscribing, and so on. So yeah, keep it up. Anyway, see you next time.
It's all the same, but some things never change. I couldn't stop and say no.